Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Edgar Dani, and I'm talking today on the market forecast, the market analysis, and lastly, the recommendations on the opportunities and the key significant levels that can be obtained in this coming week. Now, as you all know that this is educational purpose video, is not a financial providing service, which means that it's not signal providing service. So buckle up and stay tuned. Now, to start with, I'm not going to talk about economic fundamentals this week. Why? Because there isn't much going on. But what can I say is there's a Swedish election coming soon, so you probably want to look very closely US and Swedish krona pair and euro against Swedish krona as well pair. From these two pairs, you can get massive opportunities based on the political outcome that's going to happen this week. Now, as all know that, guys, I'm gonna jump through to the technical analysis just to save you time. Now, from the technical analysis standing point of view is that the US dollar currency index is at 95.06, just closed last week, and we've seen a massive downward trend. It diffused its value after this an impressive upward move appreciation value for almost 3 weeks now, and we've seen a reversal happening. Now it has entered this range here of 95.18 and 93.96, which is the same range that has been on for the past 2 to 3 months. Now, this gives me more confidence that the price is going to reverse to this level of 95.16. As soon the price is going to retest, we expect a further weakness in the dollar for the coming week. Now, this is a massive opportunity for us to take on, because there's every right to believe that the market is going to go down. Firstly, after that significant level, the support line, or we can call it the resistance line. Sorry guys, it's a big night now, and yeah, I'm disturbing my housemates, but it's fine. Yeah, you can see, let me zoom in. I hope you guys can see my what? Anyways, if you look here closely, you see the Fibonacci retracement level is at 0.61. This is where the price retested last week, and you can see the red candle showing that the sellers are coming in the market at the moment. And this is a key signal for us that gives us a go ahead for the coming week. Now, I'll jump straight into the 4 main pairs that are gonna be profitable for the coming week. Now, all these pairs are being chosen on the basis of the significant levels, confluency, and the correlation to the US dollar. Now, if you start with the EURUSD, since you're expecting a weakness in the dollar index, we expect a further appreciation in the euro. Now, before jumping to conclusions, let's look on where we can make a proper entry. Now, there have been 2 significant lines here. This one of 1.15, 8.06, and this one 1.15300. Now, these 2 lines, they have their own merits, because if you look here, if you the first line, there have been so many kissing points, but this one, the second one, which is more recent one, there'll be more than 1, 2, 3, 4 kissing points. Now, I could also call them 4 bottoms. Now, the second line could be even more stronger, and also likewise for the first line. Now, in that case, you have to be be very careful because the price might keep on going further down. The price might go further down to this level or further down to this target level here and reverse. Sorry. Now, if that's the case, you need to wait and be patient and wait for the MACD to give you an entry level that there's the price change in price value that's going to happen in this coming week. So yeah, let's jump to US dollar Japanese yen. Now US dollar Japanese yen is the same story. We're expecting a weakness in US dollar. Now if that's the weakness coming, we're expecting the price to keep on going further down here from 111 to this level here of 100.036, which gives us a risk reward ratio of 2.82 and a target of 0.1%, which is quite decent. Why? Because our strategies of trading is that we trade with tight stops and high risk rewards, and high returns. Average per week we target 2%. Now if that's the case, this is such a right move for us to make. Well, going furthermore is US dollar Canadian. You're expecting a retracement with a risk reward of 2.34 at a target of 0.5% as our major return for USDCAD. Now remember, USDCAD has entered this new territory over here. Now expecting a further, since it breakout, we expect this line to act as a resistance for this pair. And lastly is EURCAD. Now EURCAD has kissed this major significant level. Just this was like kind of highlights that this price is going to keep on going down, judging from the price action. As you can see, there's a massive downward trend. So yes, let's expect this coming week to be full of opportunities. Now guys, sorry I'm speaking in a very low voice because I'm at home now and I'm working. I'm really late, almost 1:46 a.m. in the United Kingdom. But I have today's for you guys because tomorrow I have a league cup game, so I won't be able to record anything because I'm gonna be massively tired. Hence, so yeah, please guys pay attention for the coming week. There's so many opportunities for you to take. Please subscribe and like us and share on our YouTube channel. Plus, we're going to post this video on IGTV because I hope also via Instagram, so it's going to be more convenient for you guys too. Bye.